Hello, this is eSpin. We're happy to assist you with the upcoming presentation. Let us know if you need any help, and we'll be glad to be of service. Open Visual Studio Code. Step 1. Setup versus code for C. Go to File, then click Open Folder. Click Documents. Click Folder Visual Studio Code. Click New Folder for create the new folder name as main. Click Select Folder. To open Terminal, go to View, then scroll down, choose Terminal option. Check Compiler Works by using command below inside the terminal. Step 2. Write and compile user binary. Go to File. Choose New Text File. Copy-paste code into the template. To save code, go to File, then choose Save As. Rename the save file as main. Then click Save button. Step 3. Still in that same terminal, compile the code into a binary file with command at the screen. As user can see, now there are new file which hello.exe was created. Run the binary to confirm it works. With command at the screen. Expected output is hello from binary. Now, user can load hello.exe into IDA. Open IDA. Click OK. Click New. Click Documents. Click Visual Studio Code. Click Main. Click hello.exe. Step 4. IDA will ask for file type, choose PE. Executable for 80386. Click OK to analyze the binary. Click Yes to agree. IDA begin auto analysis. Wait until it says auto analysis finished. Step 5. Press F5 to open the pseudo code view. Press Tab to toggle between graph view and text view. Look for function calls like main. If not immediately visible, go to View, open subviews functions. Scroll through to find main. Step 6. Analyze disassembly. Now you're in the disassembly view. Rename functions or variables. Press Enc inside, try change a name underscore main to print underscore hello, then click enter. Now I will change main to print underscore hello. See the changes. As user can see, the function is changed to print underscore hello. This helps track code meaning as user analyze. User can also rename labels, variables, or string pointers. Step 7. Add comments. Click instruction line like call underscore puts. Then press semicolon. Type prints hello string to stout. See the changes later. Comments show up in gray and remain in the .id database. Step 8, View Imports. Go to View, choose Open Subviews, choose Imports. See all imported functions, then choose Exit Process. Double-click at Exit Process function to see where it is called in user code. Step 9, View and Use Strings. Go to View, choose Open Subviews, choose Strings. Locate Hello from binary. Double-click. With the above tools, user can trace data flows, rename for easier understand and reverse engineer at low level. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope it was valuable and informative. For questions, contact us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again and have a great day.